Hello, I'm Seth Johnson with Land the House. So in today's tiny house video, I'm here in the loft to install recessed lighting. So let's get started doing this. So I have one wire coming up from our breaker box here, and then over here on the other wall I've got 3 wires that go to our light switch. So these 3 wires will be what goes to the lights, and the single wire over there is the hot wire coming in. So I've got my tape measure. I'm going to measure from the top plate out because I want all these lights to be straight in a row here. So I'm just going to hit the corner of the top plate right here and come over at the 4-foot mark and just make a little mark there, and that's where the light's going to go, right here. This particular type of light has these legs that extend out on both sides, and they've got a nail that goes into the rafters or trusses, whatever you want to call them. So what I was doing is just putting this leg on the mark that I made, and it's kind of awkward to hold this and hammer and by myself, but let's see here. Okay. Extend this out and hit the mark on the other side, and gotta keep holding it. Luckily it's not very heavy. So now extend out here and hit this other one. And then back over here again. Oops. All right, and there we go. Not too bad. 5 more of those to go. Sorry, the last clip had no audio. My mic battery is dying and I forgot to turn it back on. So let's wire up one of these boxes here. First thing I'm going to do is pull this tab out a bit. I like to forget that step, so do it first there. Then stick these wires through here. And then stick these in here. So once these are in, I like to kind of get the wire close to the edge and bend back this tab. Now there's actually a piece you can put on there that holds them in, but I didn't buy any of those, so and let's separate the grounds up here, the neutrals, and then the black. So these little clips in here make it really handy to attach these wires, just like that. Sorry, my hand's in your way. Here we go. Okay. All those are in there pretty good. Okay. Now just take the cover here and reattach that. And I like to just make sure that's kind of pressed against those. And done. So just to recap what's done, this wire comes up from the breaker box, comes up here, and then splits into 3 right here. First one goes to this box, skirts over to that box, or I guess can would be a more appropriate term, and then goes down to the light switch over there, and then breaks off into both of these and into those. So basically, this row will be operated with one switch, this row, and this row over here. Well, I got all those cans installed. Very interesting, never done that before. Now I have to take these set screws and keep these things right in the center of the track. I believe whenever all the wiring is done, I'll bring in my dad's generator and test everything out before I put insulation in, just to make sure it works. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'm Seth Johnson with Land the House, and I will see you next time. Bye.